Hi everyone, this is Shreya from the podcast club of I Am Jammu. So today we are bringing a very fun video for you all, in which we'll be approaching students in the campus and asking them fun questions from the chits that we have prepared. So without any further ado, let's dive straight into the video.
Okay, holidays. Do they exist or are they just a myth? Honestly, they exist on paper. Because what happens? You get a holiday, you get meetings, you get assignments, you have backlog. So all your holidays are gone. And moreover, on top of that, in this year especially, Republic Day on Sunday. Or next 5 festivals to come, all Sundays. So if you are coming to IIM Jammu, be ready to forgive and forget holidays.
For an IIM student, we generally have holidays like weekends, but the administration doesn't provide us more holidays, and like only for the festivals or any events we get a holiday. Otherwise, there's no holiday. Only weekends, but weekends are sometimes enough and sometimes they are like also working day, as we get more assignments and projects. So have we got lot of work to do.
So you have to like enjoy in between your classes and this when these type of things are going on. Like we get a very limited time to enjoy, right?
Yeah.
So we have to adjust accordingly. Obviously, we are in an institute of national importance. So
Is IIM Jammu an inclusive paradise or just a well-ranked illusion? IIM Jammu is very inclusive. I mean, the kind of people I see here, and by kind I mean everything: language, region, the personality. All of it is very inclusive. If you talk about a well-ranked illusion, I would say it's not true.
it's a reality.
It's a reality. It's a reality. However, if you're thinking about whatever you see on social media, whatever you see on YouTube, you coming here will have a different perspective. Because my friends had a different perspective. I am Jammu before coming here, and I had a different perspective. They took this entire thing differently, and I took it differently.
Same.
So, if you're watching this and if you're gonna come here, I mean, you won't understand what it really is. Understand until you're here, because my perspective is completely different from yours. Is that
If you have to rename IIM Jammu, what would you call it? I would love to call it IIM Ahmedabad, but I can't call it IIM Ahmedabad.
It's definitely a 5-year challenge.
But you get the option to make it a 3-year challenge now.
Yeah.
Is it easier to crack those 3 years?
We'll see.
It's a golden ticket if you make it a golden ticket.
Yes.
So depends on student or it depends on how the.
It depends if you don't make college if you don't let your college define you, but you get outside of college and use college's resources to make a bigger, better life.
Jammu's climate, pleasant surprise or survival challenge?
Survival challenge.
For you, it is really?
Yeah.
For me, it was, quite a pleasant surprise.
So Jammu is not cold.
Jammu is not cold, it's not even hot, it's another level of hot.
It's bipolar.
It's bipolar.
It is bipolar, yeah.
Yeah, it's just the extremes, I would say. It's not like in between, and that's just sad.
And both of us are from the south, yet it's too much even for us, the hotness.
Yeah,
Like,
it
when
is.
we came here, it was an extreme level of hotness.
Yeah, it was scorching sun. Like you could, it was like piercing to your skin, kind of heat.
Guys, please pick one of the sets and answer the question which follows.
Clubs and committees stress relievers or extra assignments in disguise? I think they are a very good way to actually learn how you can manage your time. So it's like, yeah, there is stress, of course, but that is the part of the experience over here. And clubs and committees can actually help you learn a lot, gain many different skills aside from the usual course structure. So I think they have their pros and cons.
Okay,
and
which club and committee are you a part of?
I am a part of the Toastmasters club.
Okay.
Okay, so my question is, what's the one thing that every fresher should know before joining? So I think that you should know that coming to IIM Jammu here and doing this program will not be a cakewalk. There will be days when you have to wake up till 3 or 4 a.m. doing group assignments or individual tasks, studying for exams, but there is also fun. We celebrate all the festivals here together, so it will be fun.
So here are some questions for you. You can randomly pick any and answer that. Please pick.
What is your go-to late night snack during exam season? Okay, I'll prefer either cup noodle or maybe some chips with some chocolate. That's it.
Why? Because it is easy to prepare.
Yeah, cup noodles are easy to prepare, and also chips and snacks are easy to just have.
They are not healthy,
Nothing.
but
Obviously, who will have a late night snack which is healthy?
it is exam season.
But that's again, you in the exam season you want to save your time, and just because of that factor, I'll choose something which is easy and quick to make.
Are exams hectic for you?
Obviously, yes,
And why so?
because you have less amount of time, a lot of things to be done, stress, pressure, and then the fear that you won't be able to perform, and then you feel hungry out of nowhere. Yes,
Thank you.
that's all.
Do you feel safer here than your browser in incognito? Okay, so I would like to say that each and everyone has a second thought while they choose or while they get an opportunity to study over here at IIM Jammu, because it is situated in Jammu and Kashmir. But even I had this second thought. But I would like to say that here, if you are going out or somewhere, there is security everywhere, and even on campus there are various guards and they are retired military personnel. So there is, you can say, there is no problem with that security.
Yeah.
So what's the biggest myth about IIM Jammu that turned out to be false would be that in the orientation we were told that there is so much strictness that we can't survive, but actually that's not true. We can survive.
Okay, so my question is, how many hours do you sacrifice to study to get in here? Okay, so to be very honest, depends यार. वैसे भी जो जितना सोचते हैं उतना पढ़ता तो नहीं, of course. 10 घंटे का प्लान करते हैं, 4 घंटे ही हो पाते हैं, but yeah, you can say that 6 hours minimum every day.
If you had 30 seconds to brainwash an IPM aspirant, what would you say? Not that good of a program. Could obviously go ahead and do something else which would result a lot better. Though the faculty members here are good. But still, I mean, since it's an IPM program, not their premier, so you will always be the second, favorite of the institution. And obviously, there are better opportunities. If you want to pursue an MBA further, you can always come through CAT, GMAT, and everything else. So yeah, that's it. Don't do it.
That's a wrap for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed listening to these fun and spontaneous answers and questions from the students around the campus. Do not forget to mention down in the comments which one was your favorite answer. And if you did like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more fun and engaging content. Till then, stay curious. See you soon, guys. Bye.